So as you can see, it's working, right? This is this custom schema manager, and this is the code. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a WordPress plugin uh, with AI. You can use Cloud, ChatGPT, or whatever you prefer. Uh, in this video, I'm going to use Cloud AI because I think it's a best, and I have been using this for uh, a lot of things, and I'm choosing this one right now. So uh, now in this video, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna build a custom plugin that will allow me to add custom schema to any post or pages. Because why I'm building this plugin, because if I go to any WordPress post or pages and then click on here, and if I go to the schema, there is a schema generator of Frank Math. But if I wanted to like add a custom schema, they're showing me to upgrade the plan, but I don't want it to do this. So instead of buying an plugin, I am trying to build this plugin for me. So right now, what I'm going to do, there is a prompt that I have written uh, that I'm going to paste it here. What does it mean? I said I wanted to build a WordPress plugin that will help me add custom schema to any blog post or pages on my WordPress site. So build by Tariq Jahan, and then plugin version, let's say 011. And then what I said, first analyze what will be the best way, strategy, and location to showcase that plugin, making it professional so that you can build a professional ready to sell plugin without encountering any errors. So this is a very simple prompt. Just have just write whatever I wanted to build, and that's a easy thing. I'm going to like press hit enter now, and I said I remember I don't know. Here, as you can see, I don't know anything about building code or coding, so you will provide step-by-step guide to successfully build and active that plugin. So you will now build that plugin for me. So it's analyze and strategies. Best approach is meta box in post editor. So custom meta box, and then schema type selection, drop down to choose common schema type article. Okay, visual editor, code editor. Okay, toggle button visual fields and row JSON. Okay, auto injection, automatically inject schema into page head section. Admin settings, global setting, and schema templates. That's fine. Metabox plugin location, Metabox appears in post editor sidebar. Okay, modern approach. Settings page under settings schema. Well, that's fine. Let's see. So it's written the code, and then comprehensive installation guide by Tariq Jahan. What I have to do? Access your WordPress admin, text editor, notepad. Okay. Open text editor in computer, text. Okay, copy plugin code and the artifact above, entire PHP code, paste it into your editor, save the file, custom with exact name, custom schema manager .php. Okay, let's copy it. Important, make sure it saves PHP, not txt. That's fine. And then step 2, create a folder for your plugin. Create a new folder on your computer. Exactly, schema manager. So custom schema manager. Let's copy the custom schema manager. And then move your PHP file into this folder, compress it, and then what I have to do, then upload it. How to use this plugin? Okay, okay. So what we have to do first, we're going to like copy this one, copy the code. So and then let's go document, and then create a new folder. Folder name is, okay, let's copy the folder name. Folder name is custom schema manager. So rename it custom schema manager, and then okay, then we have to like copy the code, and then open the text editor, paste it here, and then I'm going to like save it. Okay, this is the name of the file, php. So I'm going to like paste it here, php, to delete the txt extension. So I'm saving the file in php, and then document, let's save it. Okay, let's cross it, and as you can see, this is the php file that I've saved. Now I'm going to move this file into this folder. Okay, as you can see, it's inside the folder. Now I'm going to compress it. Let's compress, and you can see it's now we have to like upload this zip file into my WordPress site. Let's see how it works. So we're going to here, plugin, add new plugin. Okay, upload a new plugin, and then what I'm going to do is just upload it, drag and drop it here. That's a problem. Okay, now I'm going to click install now. Install now, and then active the plugin, and let's see if it works or not. So what we have to do, for example, if you have a schema of from the rank math or other SEO plugins, you have to remove it first. Okay, and then I'm going to do is refresh the post, reload it, and see if it works. So there is a meta box should be showing in here. As you can see, it is now in here. So we can like select uh, any kind of pre-templated here, FAQ how to, or what we can do is select a custom schema, enable schema markup for this post. Okay, so what we can do, uh, is for the test purpose, what you can do is copy the code here and then paste it here. This is the JSON in Tariq Jahan article. What is my article name? This is the title, and this is the title. What I'm going to paste it here. So yeah, that's it. Let's save it here, and now I'm going to view the post, and then let's view the source code and let's check it out if there is something added here. It should be in the head section, but mhm. What was it? So as you can see, it's working, right? This is this custom schema manager, and this is the code, right? So it's working. So you can so I'm going to leave a link in the description of this plugin. You can use it if you want, or you can build a new plugin uh, based on your requirements or features that you might want it. So yeah, thank you for uh, watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks.